it's Becky. I'm back with a homeschooling video for you guys today. I feel like I haven't done a curriculum video in forever. Pretty much, I guess, because we haven't really changed a whole lot from what we planned on doing for this year, which is I have a 10th grader and a 4th grader this year. We are wrapping up our homeschool year. We've only got about 8 weeks left as I'm filming this video. By the time you see it, maybe a little bit less. So I'm really excited. This year has flown by. And something that I did add to our curriculum that I didn't share with you guys because I was trying it out and wasn't sure how I was going to feel about it, but we finished now a complete level of it and are starting the second level. And I definitely have my opinions now and I wanted to share it with you guys. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the writing program that we added to my oldest daughter's curriculum. She is a sophomore. She's already got a language arts program that we're really enjoying from The Good and the Beautiful. And it does have a writing assignment with each unit, but I really wanted to make sure that her writing was super strong because she's going to be taking a college English class for her fall semester as a junior, so coming up here this fall. So I really wanted to make sure that her writing was like on point. And I didn't want to stop doing our curriculum we were doing for language arts because I love the Good and the Beautiful's language arts curriculum. And I do like they do include writing, and I just wanted to make sure we were doing what we needed to do to make sure she was ready on a from a writing standpoint. So I did add this in. This is the Essentials in Writing Level 10. Started her with this. We went through it pretty quickly because we did not follow the schedule, and I'll talk about that later. We skipped the beginning and we didn't follow their schedule per se, but definitely this has been working out really well. And I wanted to share it with you guys. So completed level 10 and we just got level 11 that she's gonna use until the end of this school year, just to keep her writing, you know, really strong leading into fall in that college English class. Now, one thing to point out is the lower levels of Essentials in Writing do include grammar, but once you're through levels 9, 10, 11, and 12, it is all writing, which is perfect because like I said, we did not need a grammar curriculum at this point. We didn't need anything else because she's already got her language arts that she was doing. Levels 9 through 12 of Essentials in Writing are just writing focused. There's no grammar, no spelling, nothing. So perfect for what we needed. And also, like I kind of mentioned earlier, it is not a full year curriculum if you don't follow their schedule. So you would want, and their schedule recommends taking breaks to do other things like extra writing projects or a literature study or something like that. So if you intend to make this last a whole year, you're either gonna have to take breaks or you're gonna have to add extra writing assignments, or do like us where you go ahead and finish one unit and then in that same school year start the next unit. So a couple different options. I was okay with the fact that not taking breaks was going to have us finishing it sooner than a year, but if that's something that matters to you, then just be prepared that you're going to want to add either extra writing assignments or some, you know, literature book studies or something like that, just to make this last a full year. One thing I like about Essentials in Writing is they offer scoring services for levels 7 through 12. So if you don't feel comfortable grading your students' writing, which sometimes writing is a hard thing to grade because it is such a creative kind of abstract subject, somewhat. I mean, there are some rules and things along the way, but it is kind of a hard thing, I think, to grade. So you can actually pay Essentials in Writing and they will grade your students' work. Otherwise, there are grading rubrics included in the curriculum to kind of give you an idea of what you should be looking for and how to score those things. Also, one thing I really loved about Essentials in Writing is they give you examples with each assignment of a good example of work and a bad example of work. So it really gives you an idea of, you know, somebody can say, well, you need to make a quality writing. You need to write quality papers. Well, if you don't know what quality looks like, it's hard to know kind of what you're expected to do and what it should kind of feel like, what your writing should feel like. So I like that they do give examples of what's a bad example of a writing assignment and what's a good example. And one thing that my oldest daughter really liked the most about Essentials in Writing is they are small, short assignments that build upon each other. Start with sentences, writing really good quality sentences, then you move to paragraphs, and then you move to essays, and then you go to a research paper. It really kind of tampers you in along the way, little bits at a time of how to put together a good sentence, a good paragraph, a good essay, a good research paper. And there are video lessons that go along with most of the lessons and assignments so that if you need extra instruction, your child can pop the DVD in and watch the instructor and have him kind of explain everything. Sometimes my daughter watched them, sometimes she didn't. I think she only really watched them when she felt like she wasn't getting a good grasp of maybe what was being asked. in the workbook, she was able to watch the DVD lesson and get a better idea of what was being asked. We have really enjoyed Essentials in Writing. We have flip-flopped around quite a bit with writing curriculum over the years, and I feel like I said, even though she already had a language arts curriculum that we were happy with and that did have some writing involved, I really wanted to focus and hone in on her writing to make sure she was ready for some dual credit college classes. And I feel like Essentials in Writing was the perfect thing for her. And I will link the Essentials in Writing website in the description box for you. I've been really happy with it, and I think you guys would be as well. So let me know in the comments if you homeschool, and if you're watching this, you probably do, or you're thinking about it. Let me know what writing curriculum that you use and kind of what you think about it. Or if you've used Essentials in Writing, let me know what your experience with it was. I just think it's been really great, and I love it. I think it's been the perfect thing that we needed, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure if it was, you give it a thumbs up. I will also link my homeschooling playlist for you. Every homeschooling video I've ever made is in that playlist, and there are tons of them. So definitely check out that playlist if you're interested, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.